wrong?
Stroke and a broken hip.
We just gave you food.
Okay, I'm gonna pray for you. Really fast. What's your name?
Curtis.
Curtis? Oh, do you want to stay here so I can pray for you? Or...
John, go ahead.
My name's Stephanie, and this is Kelsey.
I'm Kelsey.
I'm
Hi.
Kenzie. Dear God, I just pray for Curtis right now, God, that you can regain his strength, God,
Yes,
so he can
Lord.
walk once again, God. Don't let the stroke, God, hold him down, Jesus. God, I pray that you give him a strength like he's never had before, Jesus. God, I pray that you can
Yes, Lord.
help him regain this thing that he had before, Jesus. The strength that he had before when he could walk and everything, before the stroke, before the hurt, God. I just pray that you can heal him, God, from his head to his toes, Jesus, and just help him regain that, God, and have faith in you, God, and have faith that you can do these things, Jesus. God, I just pray protection over him, God. That way he can be stronger and not get any worse. God, I pray that you give him courage, God, to open up a Bible, God, and read your word, Jesus, and just to pray to you, God, and talk to you every day and gain that relationship with you that a lot of people have, Jesus. In your name, amen.